Hi students, let us continue with the trigger concept. So in the previous video I explained about the syntax of the triggers. Now let us take one program how we will use the triggers in PL by SQL. So first I am writing the query, select star from customer. So customer table I already created. So I am just calling that customer table with the help of this query, select star from customers. So whenever I return a statement in this SQL, a table will appear: ID, name, age, address and salary. So with values ID 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So name, suppose Hari, Priya, Raghu, Deepu, Pinky. So these are the names and those ages 35. So whatever you want, you just enter that. Address, so he is from Delhi, she is from Hyderabad, she is from Mumbai, she is from Pune and she is from Madhya Pradesh. And there's related salaries for their jobs is 2000. Suppose I'm just writing 1500, 2000, 6500, 8500. Okay, so this is the customer table. Now I want to apply trigger on this. Means I want to change made some changes to this table. So how can I do? So first I want to do a row level trigger that would fire the insert or update or delete operations performed on customer table. So you are just triggering this table, means by saying that you are going to be insert or update or delete something in this table. So the trigger displays the salary. Now suppose I want to write a program for the trigger displays the salary difference. Trigger displays the salary difference between the old values and new values. Okay, so here on this table I just want to trigger, means I want to update the salary. So if you want to update the salary of a particular every person, means every row, okay, every person, you want to trigger the table by finding out the salary difference between the old values and new values. Okay, so if you know the difference, means this is the old values already I entered, but I want to know the difference between the old value and the new value, means how much they are gaining. So that is the trigger, how much they are get the incremented. Okay, so that I'll write the program for that. So here I'll write the program. First I'm creating a trigger, create or replace. First you have to write create or replace trigger. So what is the trigger name? I want to find out the salary difference. So display salary change. Create or replace trigger. So the trigger name is display salary changes, means how much change they get from old to new. Okay, display salary changes before deleting or inserting or update. Means before you are deleting or inserting or updating the values on the table, you have to find out what is the salary salary difference between the old and the new. That is our main aim. So you have to write the create or replace trigger name display salary changes before deleting or inserting or updating on customer table, on customers. For each row you have to work on each row when the condition is new dot id is greater than 0. So this is completely the trigger event, action and condition. So here I have I'm just writing that I had to create or replace a trigger like display salary changes before deleting or before you are doing some modifications on the table. For each row, when new dot id is greater than 0, means obviously you entered something greater than, means the previous value. Okay.